Okay, this is Ani with Day Trading with Ani again, and here we are at the midday tune. We're looking at PPO, which was our call on the blog today at 29.70, and it opened at 29.71 and did a nice gain for us at it's hitting our second target 30.50, and actually that's our first target. The second target's 31. We'll see if it can make it. So it's right now going sideways in this channel, and keep an eye on that volume going forward. Okay, next was PCG. PCG, we were short actually from last week on this, and that's on Friday, and it has certainly paid off, adding even more today at about 44.60 or 44.50 area, and it's now hit a low of 43.18. It's looks like it's forming another bear flag here, so keep an eye on that. Our second target on this is around 42. Okay, next going forward we have V. V was another one for today, which did continue from last week. However, for those entering today was about 67 and coming down to 65.16 as the low, which was below our second target, and it looks like it's going to continue longer here, so keep an eye on it. Looks like another small bear flag here. It happened once before at the 66 range. We added there, and it came down for us very nicely for another point. Okay, and one more here for Apple. Apple is looking higher and brighter all the time, and shinier, as they say. And it looks like it came back down here. I'm kind of expecting this 266.40 visit, and this looks more like a bear flag to me than a bull. So we'll see later on. And Goog we also played today, and Google did a very nice, we were in this just above the 482, and it took us up to this high and gave it basically all back, and now it looks like it's forming another flag that doesn't look so optimistic here. So let's see what happens again. Keep an eye on this to break down maybe around the 481.5. And let's see, below that, let's take a look at RIM, because that's coming up with the earnings, and we haven't played that today, but looking at this to see what's happening, maybe a head, shoulder, I don't know. It's kind of watch this 444.20 area, and that's for today. Speaking of today, strictly, it's probably better to look at this on the daily to see what's up, and you can see that that's still that 42.50 is that trend, and I did tell you earlier that I will reveal what my target is on the bottoms there. Okay, let's take a look if there's any more time. The Netflix is kind of sideways and down today, and after pre-market hitting at 150, 151, so it might, again, it's not really breaking down previous highs here, so it could be that it's just consolidating here before breaking higher. So keep a real strong eye on this, and anytime you see this and a breakout on volume, that real signal a nice higher gain here. So keep that in mind. That's on the daily, and that's what we're looking at. Currently, it's at 147.35. We played this short from 148.50. So right now, it looks like it's breaking down lower, actually. So we'll see if it can revisit the 146 or not. But be very careful, because it's bouncing very hard at certain levels, like at 147 earlier. It bounced from there. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Have a great day. We'll talk to you after the trading is over.